Hello everyone, welcome back to Anshul Gupta MD. You might have heard breakfast is the most important meal in a day. So it is very important to eat a healthy breakfast so you can start your day in the right proper manner. And today I'm going to share with you that recipe of that perfect breakfast that gives you all the right ingredients, all the right vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that is needed to start your day properly. Before we move forward, I would like you to take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future also. So breakfast is really important meal of the day. The reason being morning is the time where your body is waking up and your machinery of the body is starting. So it is very important to give the right nutrients to your body so you can have sustained energy throughout the day. So your body functions at the optimal level. Also, there is less inflammation in the body as well as your brain, your muscle, as well as your gut works at the proper level. So for that, it is very important to have specific ingredients in your breakfast so you can get all of these nutrients in just one meal. So the big question is that what are all the ingredients that you need to make a perfect breakfast? And the next question is that what is that recipe to make this breakfast so you have all the ingredients? So let me first share with you all the ingredients and then I'm going to share with you the recipe of this perfect breakfast. So the first ingredient is good quality protein. Proteins are made from amino acids. These amino acids not only give your body proper energy throughout the day, but are very important in hormonal production, especially brain hormones like neurotransmitters and gut hormones as well as thyroid hormones. Amino acids are also needed to make your immune system strong so it can fight off any inflammation or any infection it encounters in during the day. So that's the reason it is very important to have a complete protein breakfast so that gives you all the amino acids to restart your day properly. The second ingredient over here is good quality fats. Most of the time we have been avoiding fats because we think they are really bad for our body. But we know that good quality fats are needed to start a day. The reason being good quality fats are a better source of energy than the carbohydrates. The second reason being good quality fats actually lower inflammation in the body. So if you're feeling tired during the day, or if you feel fatigued in your muscle, or if you feel that your brain is not functioning properly, then you need to add good quality fats in the morning breakfast because they actually help serve your body properly and reduce inflammation in the body. The third ingredient that is needed is all the great quality vegetables which have the right quality of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants added to them. Your body needs different kinds of vitamins and minerals so that it can run the proper machinery of your body, as well as it needs antioxidants. These antioxidants help your body's machinery to function at the optimal level, and all of these ingredients are needed to start your day properly. So these are all the ingredients needed for the perfect breakfast, and most of us are not able to get all of these ingredients in our breakfast, and that's the reason we don't feel good in our body. So today I'm going to share with you two different recipes, one people who are eating animal products and the other recipe for people who are not eating animal products, so both of them can benefit from this perfect breakfast recipe. The first recipe doesn't include animal protein. It can be used for both people with vegan, vegetarian, or even people who wants to eat a different breakfast and do not want to eat animal protein. So as I discussed, the first ingredient on this list will be a good quality protein which has all the amino acid. Now here's the challenge. There is no complete source of amino acid protein in vegetarian meals. So we have to combine different sources of protein to get all the amino acids. The first source of protein we are going to add over here are beans. Yes, beans are great source of vegetarian protein into our meals. Whether you eat black beans, pinto beans, or red beans or kidney beans, all of them have great amino acid profile, but they are not complete protein. For that, we have to add other sources of protein. So the second source of protein to add in this recipe is steel cut oats. Yes, steel cut oats also have great amino acid profile, which complements the amino acid profile of beans and gives you a complete source of protein. The third source of protein to add over here is chia seeds. Now the chia seeds have different amino acid profile. And again, if you combine all of these proteins, which is the beans, the chia seeds, as well as the oatmeal, then that gives you the complete amino acid profile that you need to start your day. So to make this recipe, it is recommended to soak your beans and chia seeds overnight so that you remove all the lectins. And in the morning, then you can cook your steel cut coats along with your soaked beans overnight. So this is the complete protein that you get by adding all of these three ingredients. Now comes the good quality fats. So add the good quality fats. You are already using chia seeds, but along with the chia seeds, it is always good to use some olive oil or ghee so that it gives you the complete fatty acid profile that you need to start your day. And then to add your vitamins and minerals, you need to include good quality vegetables, would include your greens like spinach, like kale, like broccolis, like cabbages, like cauliflowers, or other vegetables like tomatoes, like onions, as well as squashes. So that gives you all the vitamins and minerals and antioxidants that you need to take in the morning to start your day properly. So now you know the healthiest breakfast recipe that is going to give you the best way to start your day. The second recipe, which involved animal products. In this, you need to choose a complete protein. The complete protein in this category would be pasture-raised organic eggs or lean protein like chicken, fish, or turkey. Now, eggs are complete protein because they have all the amino acids that are needed by your body. Now, to complement these eggs, you add a good fat to it, which will be your avocados. Avocados have great fatty acid profile, which works with the fats which are already present in the eggs, and both of them give you the complete source of good quality fats that your body needs. The perfect way to get all of these vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is by adding different colorful vegetables to your meal. The best way is that you can add some sauteed vegetables, will include greens like spinach, like kale. You can add some cabbages, some cauliflowers, some Brussels sprouts, some broccolis, some squashes, some sweet potatoes. All of these are great quality vegetables that you can add to this meal. So what you can do is that either you can make a big omelette, which includes a couple of eggs along with vegetables and then a side of avocado with it. Or you can have boiled eggs with avocados and some sauteed vegetables. Now this is a complete breakfast because it gives you all the nutrients. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.